back to our channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. సో నిన్నటి క్లాస్లో మనము అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నామెట్రిక్ సంబంధించి షార్ట్ కట్స్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నిన్న చూసాము అండ్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా క్లాస్ 1లో చూసాము. క్లాస్ 2లో భాగంగా ఇంకొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈరోజు చూద్దాం. ఓకే, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Let us suppose AB is the height of the tree. AB is the height of the tree. Due to storm, తుఫాను వల్ల ట్రీ సి అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి కట్ అయింది. తుఫాను వల్ల ట్రీ సి అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి కట్ అయింది. నౌ CB is the broken part of the tree, and this broken part touches the ground by making, this is the ground, by making 30-degree angle with the ground. So let us consider this is point B. Okay, right. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ పార్ట్ విరగడం వల్ల ఈ సిబి పార్ట్ కాస్త గ్రౌండ్ తో టచ్ అవుతుంది. ఏ విధంగా అంటే 30-degree యాంగిల్ చేసిన యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్. Now the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ foot of the tree and top of the tree is distance between these 2 points is 6 meters. So we have to find the height of the tree before falling down. విరగక పూర్వం, చెట్టు విరగక పూర్వం హైట్ కావాలి. విరగక పూర్వం before falling down the height of the tree is AC plus BC, but BC is equal to here also. Okay, since it is 90-degree, obviously this angle is 60-degree. So 30, 90, 60. కానీ మనకు తెలుసు 30, 90, 60 యొక్క 30-degree ఆపోజిట్ 1 యూనిట్ ఉంటే 60-degree ఆపోజిట్ √3 యూనిట్స్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ 90-degree ఆపోజిట్ 2 యూనిట్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో మనకి 1 యూనిట్ 2 యూనిట్స్ వాల్యూ కావాలి. √3 యూనిట్స్ వాల్యూ 6 meters ఇచ్చాడు. √3 units value is 6 meters. Then 6 can be written as 2 into √3 into √3 meters. Then 1 unit value is 2 √3 meters. 1 unit value 2 √3 meters. Then 2 units value is 4 √3 meters. Viragakapurvam, before falling down, the height of the tree is 2 √3 plus 4 √3. 6 √3 is the answer. ఇక్కడ ఎటువంటి సైన్ కాస్ టాంజెంట్ త్రికోణమితి నిష్పత్తులు లేకుండా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ బై విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ ఆఫ్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఫోర్త్ వన్, ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లం. ద షాడో ఆఫ్ ఎ వర్టికల్ టవర్ ఈజ్ √3 times of its height. So consider a vertical tower. AB is a tower, okay, and its shadow is AC is its shadow, okay. Join B and C, where BC is the ray of sun. BC is the ray of sun. Find the elevation angle of sun. So elevation angle of sun forms at vertex C. We have to find ACB angle. Okay, given that the shadow of vertical tower is √3 times of its height. If its height is 1 unit, then its shadow is √3 units. Okay, so this is 90-degree. Obviously, BC is 2 units. So this is triplets of 30, 60, 90. Triplets of 30, 60, 90. So 1 unit opposite is 30 degrees. √3 opposite is 60 degrees. So angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay. Fifth question. Same model question. Little bit difficult now. Length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 15 √3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Length of shadow of a 15-meter high pole. Consider this is a pole AB of 15 meters high. And its shadow at 8 o'clock. Its shadow at 8 o'clock is 15 root 3 meters. That is 15 root 3 meters. Join B and C. AC is shoulder of the pole. AB is the height of the pole. Length of shoulder of 15 meter high pole is 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground? So this is BC is the sun ray. So making an angle of elevation, we have to find this angle of elevation. Okay. So this is 15 into 1 time. 15 root 3 can be written as 15 into root 3 times. Now it is 15 into 2 times. So this is again, this is right angle triangle 90 degree. 1 unit, root 3 unit, 2 unit is again the triplets of 30, 60, 90. 1 unit opposite is 30 degree. Root 3 units opposite is 60 degree. But we have to find angle of elevation of sun rays, that is 30 degree. Again answer is A. Okay. Next, sixth question. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. So consider AB is a pole of height 9 meters. Okay. He needs to reach 1.8 meter below the top of the pole to do the repair work. This is the top of the pole, but electrician wants to reach the 1.8 meter below. So this, consider this length is 1.8 meter. So electrician wants to repair at the point C on the pole. Okay. To do repair work, what should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climb it at an angle of 60 degree with the ground? So this is ground, and consider CD is the ladder. CD is the ladder and C is the point where the electrician wants to repair the work. Right. So if AB total height is 9 meter and BC is 1.4, then AC equal to 7.2 meters. AC equal to how much? 7.2 meters. And electrician climbed the ladder at an angle of 60 degree with the ground. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. Obviously, this is 30 degree. We know that 60 degree opposite is root 3 unit value. It is root 3 units value. And the 30 degree opposite is 1 unit. But we have to find the length of the ladder, that is opposite to 90 degree, that is 2 units. Since root 3 units value is 7.2 meter. 7.2 meter, where 7.2 meter can be split as 2.4 into 3, that is 3 times of 2.4. Again 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 root 3 gets cut. 1 unit value is 2.4 into root 3. 2.4 into root 3. Then length of the ladder is 2 units. Then 2 units value is twice the 2.4, that is 4.8 into root 3 meters. So required answer is 4.8 of root 3 meters. Okay. Next, seventh question. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degree with the bank of the river. Due to stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? Let us suppose this is a river. Then width of the river is AB. Let us say width of the river is AB. And a boat starting from the point A it has to cross the river, but it crosses due to stream across and reach the point C of another bank of the river and making 60-degree angle with the bank of the river. So obviously it is 90-degree and this is 30-degree. And travels, boat starts from point A and travels 600 meters to cross the river. Travels 600 meters to cross the river. We know that this is 30, 90, 60 degree. So this is 2 unit value. Then given that 2 units value is 600 meter. But we have to find width of the river. That is opposite to 60 degrees root 3 units. So 2 units value is 600 meter. Then 1 unit value is 300 meters. Then we have to find root 3 units value. So multiply both the side root 3. So answer is width of the river is 300 root 3 meters. 300 root 3 meters. Next question, 8th one. A girl 1.2 meter tall can just see the sun over 3.62 meter tall wall, which is 2.42 meter away from her. The angle of elevation of sun is. Let us suppose AB is the height of the girl, that is 1.2 meter. AB is height of the girl and CD is height of the wall, that is height of the wall is given by 3.62 meter. Okay, this is the ground, AC is ground, where the wall is at a distance of 2.42 meters from the girl. Okay, the girl observes the sun ray just over this wall. Okay, she observes the sun and draw a perpendicular line through B on CD. Let us suppose this point is E. Perpendicular means it is 90 degree. Since here ABEC is a rectangle, therefore B also 2.42 meters and AB is equal to EC, therefore EC is 1.2 meters. Then obviously D is total 3.62 minus 1.2, that is 2.42 meters again. Total CD is 3.62 and EC is 1.2. CD minus EC gives us ED, that is 2.42. In triangle BED, the two sides are equal. Then angle of elevations are 45 degree, 45 degree. So that sum of three angles is 180. So angle of elevation of sun ray is 45 degrees. Next question. Important question. The distance between the tops of two buildings. Distance between the tops of two buildings of height 53 meter and 117 meter. Consider first building that is 53 meter high and another building that is 117 meter high. Okay, so the distance between the tops of two buildings are these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay, and draw a parallel line to the base. So this is 53 meters. Then let us suppose AB is one building and CD is another building. This point is E. CD is total 117, but ABEC is again form a rectangle. And the distance between the tops of two buildings of the height 53 meter, 117 meter respectively is 136 meter. Distance between the tops of two buildings given by 136 meter. So this is also 53. 117 minus 53, that is 64 units. This is okay, right? We have to find what will be the distance between two buildings. This distance we have to find, but AC is nothing but equal to BE also. Consider right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle BED. So here, see here, 64 can be written as 8 8s and 136 can be written as 17 8s. Then we have a Pythagoras triplet 8, 17, 15. It is also 8 times of 15, that is 120 meter. So answer is 120 meters. Okay, కొంత నెంబర్స్ నాలెడ్జ్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ 64 ని చూడగానే 8 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ 8 అనేది నాకు తెలుసు పైథాగరస్ ట్రిప్లెట్. 136 ని 17 8 రాయొచ్చు. 8 17 ఆటోమేటికల్లీ 15 is the Pythagoras triplet. So ఆ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ కి 8 టైమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి B is also 15 into 8 times, that is 120 meter. The distance between two buildings is 120 meter. 10th one. An observer of height 1.8 meter is 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. The observer height is given, so we have to consider his height. AB is a height of observer which is 1.8 meter, and he is at a distance of 13.2. At a distance of 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. CD is palm tree, that is height of the palm tree. The angle of elevation of top of the tree from his eyes. So B is the position of eyes of observer. He observing the top of the tree. An angle of elevation of 45 degrees. So this is angle of elevation of 45 degrees. What we have to find? What is the height of the palm tree? If it is 1.8 meters, it is also 1.8 meters. Consider this point is E. Since ABEC is a rectangle, so AC is 13.2, then B is also 13.2 meter. But BDE is a right angle triangle. Obviously, scope of third angle is 45 degrees. Both the angles are equal. Then the side opposite to 45 degrees is also equal to side opposite to another 45 degrees. That is 13.2 meters. ED is 13.2. The height of the palm tree is that 13.2 plus 1.8. 15 meters is the answer. Height of the palm tree is 15 meters. Sum of 1.8 and 13.2, that is 15 meters. And the last question of class 2. In the adjacent figure, AC equals 6 meters. AC equals 6 meters. And AB equals 5 meters. And BAC is 30 degree. Find the area of the triangle. Okay. Options are given here. One option is that data is not sufficient. Okay. When two sides and included angle is given, we have a formula. Area of triangle equal half of product of two sides 6 into 5 into sine of included angles, sine 30 degrees. That is half of AB sine C, or half of area of the triangle is half of BC sine A, half of CA sine B. Here angle A is given that, so this is B and this is C value. The side length opposite to A angle is A, opposite to B angle is small b, opposite to C angle is small c. So we use the formula here, half of BC into sine A. That is 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15, and sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Half of 15 is 7.5 centimeters square. So answer is C. Okay. దీంతో క్లాస్ 2 కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇది చాలా ఉపయోగకరమైన టెక్నిక్స్ తో కూడుకున్న క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవన్నీ. ఈ టెక్నిక్స్ ని నేను మీకు అందించే ప్రయత్నం చేశాను. ఇప్పటివరకు మనం సింగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏర్పడేది 30 60 90 45 45 90, ఆ తర్వాత యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, సైడ్స్ రెస్పెక్టివ్ సైడ్స్ లెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం చూసాము. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ 3లో ఆ డేటాను బట్టి 2 రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఆ 2 రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ అయ్యే క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకు కొంచెం టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి 10th క్లాస్ లో. సెకండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 12.2 అనుకుంటా. దాంట్లో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఒక 5 to 6 మోడల్స్, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ చూద్దాం 3rd క్లాస్ లో. నా క్లాస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, ఎక్కువ విద్యార్థులకు చేరే విధంగా ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. నేను కేవలం ఈ చాప్టర్ సంబంధించి కాన్సెప్ట్ ను అందించడానికి మాత్రమే పాలిసెట్ సంబంధించి తీసుకున్నాను. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఆర్థమెటిక్ క్లాసెస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాను. ఆ ఆర్థమెటిక్ క్లాసెస్ లో కూడా ఈ విధమైన ట్రిక్స్, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ట్రిక్స్, కాన్సెప్ట్, అసలు ఏంది కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి, దేని మీద ఆధారపడి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్తున్నాను. సో మీకు గనక నా క్లాసెస్ నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది కోరుచున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.